J.K. Rowling, The Journey from Struggles to Stardom. J.K. Rowling, born Joanne Rowling on July 31, 1965, in Yate, Gloucestershire, England, is one of the most celebrated authors of modern literature. Her creation, the Harry Potter series, has captivated millions of readers worldwide, spawning a global franchise that includes films, theme parks, and merchandise. Rowling's journey from a struggling single mother to a literary icon is a testament to her resilience, creativity, and impact on contemporary literature and popular culture. Early life and education. 1. Family and childhood. Joanne Rowling was born to Peter James Rowling, an aircraft engineer, and Annie Rowling, a science technician. She has one younger sister, Diane. Rowling's family moved to Winterbourne and later to Tud's Hill, near Chepstow, where she attended secondary school. Though. Education. Rowling attended Wydene School and College, where she showed a keen interest in literature. She later studied French and the classics at the University of Exeter, spending a year in Paris as part of her studies. After graduation, she worked in various jobs, including as a researcher and bilingual secretary for Amnesty International. The birth of Harry Potter. 1. Inspiration and beginnings. The idea for Harry Potter came to Rowling during a train journey from Manchester to London in 1990. Over the next few years, she developed the story and characters while dealing with personal hardships, including the death of her mother in 1990 and a troubled marriage. Though. Writing and struggles. After her marriage ended in divorce, Rowling moved to Edinburgh with her infant daughter, Jessica. Living on welfare, she wrote the first Harry Potter book in cafes, as they provided a warm environment for her and her child. Despite her difficult circumstances, she remained committed to her writing. Breakthrough and success. 1. Publication of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. After facing multiple rejections, Rowling secured a deal with Bloomsbury Publishing in 1996. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone was published in 1997, becoming an instant success. The book won several awards and received critical acclaim for its imaginative storyline and relatable characters. Though. Global phenomenon. The success of the first book led to the publication of 6 more in the series, each breaking sales records and garnering a massive global following. The Harry Potter series was translated into numerous languages and adapted into a highly successful film franchise produced by Warner Bros. The Harry Potter franchise. 1. Books and films. The 7 books in the series: The Philosopher's Stone, The Chamber of Secrets, The Prisoner of Azkaban, The Goblet of Fire, The Order of the Phoenix, The Half-Blood Prince, and The Deathly Hallows, chronicle the journey of Harry Potter and his friends as they battle the dark wizard Voldemort. The film adaptations, starring Daniel Radcliffe, Emma Watson, and Rupert Grint, achieved immense commercial success and critical acclaim. Though. Expanded universe. Rowling expanded the Harry Potter universe with the Fantastic Beasts film series, which delves into the Wizarding World's history. She also launched Pottermore, an interactive website offering fans additional content and insights into the magical world. Literary and charitable contributions. 1. Other works. Besides the Harry Potter series, Rowling has written several other books, including The Casual Vacancy, 2012, a novel for adults, and the Cormoran Strike detective series under the pseudonym Robert Galbraith. These works have also been well received, showcasing her versatility as a writer. Though. Philanthropy. J.K. Rowling is known for her philanthropic efforts. She established the Volant Charitable Trust, which supports various causes, including research into multiple sclerosis, the disease that claimed her mother, and children's welfare. She has also made significant contributions to organizations like Comic Relief and Lumos, a charity she founded to help disadvantaged children worldwide. Personal life and legacy. 1. Personal life. Rowling remarried in 2001 to Dr. Neil Murray, and they have 2 children together. Despite her immense fame, she has maintained a relatively private personal life, focusing on her family and writing. Though. Legacy. J.K. Rowling's impact on literature and popular culture is profound. The Harry Potter series has been credited with rekindling a love of reading among young people and has become a cultural touchstone for multiple generations. Her story of overcoming adversity to achieve unparalleled success continues to inspire millions. Theme: Recognition and honors. Rowling has received numerous accolades, including the British Book Awards, the Hugo Award, and the Legion d'Honneur from France. She has also been named one of Time magazine's most influential people and has been inducted into the Order of the British Empire, OBE. J.K. Rowling's journey from struggling single mother to global literary icon is a remarkable story of resilience, creativity, and influence. Her creation of the Harry Potter series has left an indelible mark on contemporary literature and popular culture, inspiring a new generation of readers and writers. Beyond her literary achievements, Rowling's philanthropic efforts and personal story continue to inspire and impact lives worldwide. Her legacy as a storyteller and humanitarian cements her place as one of the most influential figures of our time.